Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. Now, it's been a week since I joined Paroba, and everything is going really, really well. Very, very pleased with the progress. And so far, from what I'm seeing here, is it's a great company. It really is. It's definitely got my thumbs up. Okay, first of all, just a quick disclaimer. I'm going to leave this up here. I'm not going to read through the whole thing. Just want to keep this video as short as possible for you guys. But first of all, understand that with any business or any online business of this nature, there are risks, absolutely risks. We're not going to make any promises or predictions within this video, and any income that we are discussing in this video are not promises, and there's absolutely no guarantee of return. You know, we are working in the in cryptocurrency. We're working in trading, and there are always going to be risks. It can certainly go for you or even against you. Now, obviously, this is a hands-free trading system. You don't have to do any of the trading. We are leveraging the efforts of the professional traders on our behalf. So it is 100% hands-free. You do not have to do any trading at all. So, but understand there's absolutely no guarantees with earnings in this kind of business. Just like any other kind of business of this nature, absolutely no promises. Anyway, let's continue, and you'll be able to read through this at the end. I'll put this up at the end as well. All right, thanks for watching, and enjoy the video. So as you can see, I've already brought in 82 people personally sponsored, and got a downline of 136 people. So we're moving forward. But the unique thing about this company, guys, is it's got what we call a streamline. Okay, it's similar to a power line where you've got a single line, straight line in the entire company, and everyone who gets positioned in the company gets locked into the next available position. And if you remain a free member, you can keep that position for up to 30 days, just to give it a chance to see how it pans out. You know, put it to the test and see if it's a good fit for you. And I definitely say it really is a great business to be. You know, just to put in at least $25 minimum. That'll lock your spot in, and then build it from there. But if you want to earn from the downline, you need to put at least $100 in. But guys, listen, this is something they've put in some very unique aspects to this business that you know, I've been involved in a lot of cryptocurrency type businesses, passive income earning type businesses, and you gradually, you know, I'm not an expert and I don't claim to be an expert, but you gradually realize sometimes, you know, the different mistakes that certain companies make, and you know, when a company brings out a certain new concept, you think, well, that's definitely got to be put to the test. And guys, honestly, this is definitely worth putting just you know, at least $100 for now. Just whack in $100 to put it to the test. Because honestly, you know, there's never ever any guarantee. I understand that, but there's some certain things which I'm going to mention that make this company very very unique. So yeah, talking about the streamline. So the people, since 1 week ago, the number of people that have come in under me in the streamline within the company is 1,309 people. All right, that's just simply by locking in a position and doing nothing. So I got 1,309 people. Now, do I make money from that? At the moment, I'm not making money from that. But if I choose to take greater action in this company, if I choose to get into the first pool here, for example, yes, I'm going to be able to earn from the entire volume, all right, within the pools. So the number of people that you see in the pools here, it's a very new company, guys, but the number of people you see in these pools, you're going to be able to earn a volume on those people. If you choose to get in the second pool, third pool, and so on. Guys, there are people making already in the couple of months that some of these people have been involved, you know, people in my upline, there are people making $400 a day, $600 a day, and plus. There are actually, I wasn't going to mention this, but there are actually people making over $1,000 a day in this. But, you know, at the end of the day, whether you choose to believe me on that, that's up to you. But we'll give you access to the webinars, we'll give you access to the training, and you'll be able to meet the owner. I'm not saying that this, you know, I'm not saying that I've done my due diligence. That's my responsibility. I'm not saying that you should have to do your due diligence. That's your responsibility. This is all common sense, guys. You choose to do what you want to do with this. But what I say to people really is, you just need to go with what you want to go with. All right, you need to put in what you want to put in. You need to take action at the level you're prepared to take action with. It's really down to you. It's up to you. There's no guarantee with any business that you get involved in. Certainly the cryptocurrency type businesses, the things that we're able to make money from in our space are risky, period, end of. And this is no different. But I do like what I see, and it's already starting to work nicely for me. It's a very easy business to get involved with. You can get on the link below. I've also put together a page here that you can use. All you have to do is to grab your user ID, which is at the top here. This is the user ID. It's not your login ID, it's your user ID. And you just put it at the end of the URL here, and then you paste that in there, and this whole URL becomes branded to you. But guys, what we're recommending people to do is you need to be ethical when you promote your businesses. You don't want to just, hammer out your links willy-nilly. You want to get your link out there to people you've already had a conversation with. All right, people who are asking for more information. Okay, so we'll give you access to this business. We'll give you access to the system, but the system has been put together in such a way that we want people to take responsibility and not just throw it out there. We want people to work with their team. We want people to really support their team and have a conversation with people. If they're interested and they want more information, you can send out your link. All right, don't just hammer out your link and nobody knows who their sponsor is. You need to be able to support them. So I'm only going to be working with people who are very serious. There are certain aspects to what this business is and what this company is about that makes, in my opinion, that makes it potentially long-term. I can see that this company has huge potential to be long-term, and the reason why I say that is, first of all, yes, we can get involved, and we can get involved in a business that's 100% passive. What does that mean? It means that you can earn money without absolutely doing anything. You can earn money without building a team. Can you earn money without putting money into this? Absolutely not. That's impossible. You cannot earn money in this business if you are not prepared to put any money in. Okay? How much money you choose to put in is totally up to you. All right? So, and how much you earn based on the amount you put in depends on how much you put in. Okay? There are pools, there are levels, there are sort of ranks that you can break into that allow you to earn greater in commission. Okay? On the link below, you'll get all the information with the video and the details about how you're going to be able to earn. The other thing I love about this company is that we are able to earn from the efforts of the professional traders that trade on our behalf. But unlike other businesses of similar nature that you've heard about, what makes this so special is because the traders themselves are ready to put in the risk rather than the company being put at risk. Okay, so there's risk in trading. We know that, and the traders are prepared to handle those risks. Why? Because they know what they're getting themselves into. They are traders. That's what they do. All right, they're professional traders, and it's in their interest to take those risks because they know the potential and they're good at what they do. So they are going to be able to trade on your behalf. All right, but if there is any risk, all right, or if there is any kind of obviously, there's going to be potential risk in any trading, and money is obviously lost on a daily basis, even when professional traders do trade. We know that, but you don't need to take that risk. And if there is any losses, or any losses at all, and there are losses, the traders have already put enough collateral in order to cover the drawdowns. Okay, 100% of all of the drawdown, they have already put in enough collateral to cover their losses. All right, those are the rules of the company. They're prepared to do that because they know the risks and they get their benefits, obviously, because they've got money to work with. But once they have proven, and once they have proven that they've got everything that they need in order to cover their losses, then they can go ahead with the trades. All right, that's the way it works. So we are, this company is really solid about thinking at every aspect of the potential risks, the potential hazards, the possibilities that can happen when you execute trades in forex and crypto. So we're working with forex, we're working with cryptocurrency. So we are spreading our risks within our portfolio of how we're able to earn with this company and how you're able to earn your commissions. But as you achieve greater in rank within this company, or greater in the levels that you're prepared to get involved in, all right. So you'll get on board, you take action, massive action, and as you take further action, you're able to earn deeper and deeper into the streamline, which is the power line. As you can see here, I've got 1,309 people under me. But as I take further action within this company, I can earn deeper and deeper into this streamline. Okay. As you can see here, there are already these are the deposits of the balance in the streamline. Okay, so all the people that have already come in under me in the streamline, these are the deposits that they've made. If I want to go deeper and deeper into this company, I can earn greater from the streamline that's already created under me. Okay, so so far I'm taking baby steps, and that's what we're saying. When you take baby steps, that's your choice, but that's why I'm earning what I'm earning. Okay, at the end of the day, we all take our own risks, and I'm here to say that you can take your risks at whatever level you choose to take. But after a week, things are already starting to happen. But I'm not looking at an immediate daily income. Okay, I've only put in $200. I've only put in $200. Nothing can happen from $200. Okay, not for a long time. Okay, I'm looking at this as a long-term journey, and I've already been on some webinars. I'm fascinated, and it's a great business. My team have already started to take action. Many of the members in my team have already started to take action, and it's exciting to see how we're going to be able to, gradually achieve and get better at this, within the company. So I'm excited to be on board. I'm excited to work with the members who are serious, who are coming in with me. So I look forward to working with you. Get on the link below, and we can get you started. We can get you set up with the pages. We can get you set up in the training. We've got a group, a live active group on Telegram that we're going to be able to get you in, and you're going to be able to ask questions. You can get on the webinars and dip into the training. All right. Look forward to working with you guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the inside, and bye for now.